Or let's play this. Yeah, I don't post a lot because no one watches my videos. I'm so cool. Yeah, but it's fine. Nope, wrong thing. I don't play this on one. Yeah. So let's see. Let's play my brother's levels to get me warmed up, and then I'll play my own. Yeah. Yeah. So no, wrong thing. No. Yeah. First, yeah. I'm cold. Let's go with first. No. No. So just so you know, okay. What is this? Okay. Cooks? What's cooks? No. What? Okay, cool. Anyways. I don't know what I just said. Anyways. What are your works? Let's play. Let's play. Oh my god, I'm so good at this one. Aren't I? Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so good. Okay, so I just beat it. Yeah, just beat it. I'm just that good. Yeah, let's play this one next. Right, here we go. Okay, this one's gonna be super easy. I can tell. Wait. I can do it. Okay, I did it one try. So cool. Next one. Hello. Okay. Oh, this one's gonna be so easy. See, I already got 8%. What is happening? I can beat this one. Oops. Yeah. I can do this. It won't take me long. Oh my god. I can do it. I'm just too good at it. No, but I did it. I actually already beat this. When I just don't look at the percentage when I get out of this thing. So just keep your eyes on something else. Yeah, I already beat it actually. So like this is just too easy for me. Yeah. So let's do this one. This is just a warm up, by the way. Let's do it. Yep. This is actually like the easiest thing on earth. Like I already beat this too. Like I already beat this. Just don't look at the percentage that I got because if I can trust you, then you know you wouldn't. Anyways, yeah, I already beat it. So, yeah. Those were my warm-ups. Now let's play some seriously hard levels. Let's play some serious hard levels. Let's go. Let's do this one. I played this before. Let's go. See, this one's really hard. I'm just getting a feel of it. But yeah, this one's like way harder than anything else. Like, it's way harder. You know? It's like way harder than those levels. Yeah, it's like 10 times harder. 10 times. Like, I haven't beat this. Well, I have. I've beat it before, of course, because I'm the best at this game, but, you know, stuff. Anyways. So, yeah, this is, like, the easiest thing on earth. I'm actually, my cat is playing for me right now, so it's gonna be, like, not the best right now, but don't worry, I'll play soon. You keep failing, cat. Bro, do you want me to step in? I might have to step in for this cat. So weird. Is not good at this game, like, so bad. This is your last attempt, cat. Ugh, whatever. Anyways. Let's just do this one. Wait, is this the same? See, that one was, only, actually, that one was, like, the hardest level yet. Yeah. So, let's, yeah, okay. Let's just make one. Very important stuff. Yeah, let's go. Yes. Yeah. No. Made it. Okay, that's it for today. You're welcome, and bye.